Hey YouTube, welcome back. So my son just came home from college, and he said there's a truck holding like a bucket or something, and then fell off the truck and then hit this, and then see there's a big dent right here. I gotta make this big crown on the top. So I'm not sure if I could hit it out. I'm lucky it didn't hit the windshield. It'll be more expensive to fix. So he lost this emblem because due to the big impact. So anyway, I'm trying to get it out. Not sure how I'm gonna hit this out, but I'm gonna try. So here's a dent. Maybe I just hit this out. It's got a V shape. So here's most of my PDR tool. I use this one to hit it out. Oh, this one. So I use this anchor over here and use a second hammer to hit it on the back so you can get this out. It's kind of come out a little bit, so there you go. It's much better than before. Kind of think up it here a little bit, but that doesn't matter. It's on the inside. So right here, I might have to use a glue to pull it out, the puller. Let me hit the crown down a little bit. So I can feel the crown over here. It's kind of up. I had to hit it down. So we need to use this to tap it down where the high is at. So yeah, it is much better than before, but I haven't used a glue stick to pull this out yet. I'm just tapping it down the highs. Anyway, we need to sand it down anyway to repaint this because the clear coat is so messed up from the sun damage. So yeah, and we need to buy the logo, the Honda emblem logo right here on the front. Probably buy some cheap one from eBay, or maybe ask my son to make it 3D print, but he only has a white color or yellow color. So anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.